One of the most frustrating things a parent faces daily is how to get their kids to bed early. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Chasing kids around and trying to get them to bed, reading them bedtime stories, giving them warm milk, then throwing your hands up in the air out of frustration when nothing works is something most parents can relate to. However, there is something you can do to make all of these an experience of the past. And in this video, we'll share with you 4 simple tricks you can use to get your kids to bed early without any drama. The first trick is to create an effective routine and be consistent with it. Studies have shown that kids who have a daily routine tend to sleep better and faster than those who don't. You should set aside a particular time for their naps and bedtime and stick to it. With time, your kids will become more adjusted to the schedule, and it will feel natural to sleep at their bedtime. You should also include some relaxing bedtime activities, like brushing their teeth and picking out a story to read. The next trick is an easy and very effective one, but most parents don't practice it much. Let's see what it is. If you're enjoying the video so far, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more educative and informative content. This trick is about creating an ideal and perfect sleeping environment that your kids will find irresistible. This goes beyond laying in the bed and turning off the lights. Take out some time to study and observe what works for your child. Some kids prefer sleeping in dim light, others prefer bright light. Some can't sleep in total silence and would prefer a rhythmic sound in the room, while others prefer total silence. Creating an ideal sleeping environment works wonders and will make them sleep faster and better. This trick is my personal favorite. It's a psychological one that most parents don't know about, but it works like magic. Continue watching to find out. Kids are very impressionable and can be subtly influenced without their knowledge. The reason why this method works so well is because the kids will think that it's their idea to go to sleep, and they won't feel pressured, and this will make them less likely to throw tantrums. As soon as their bedtime is approaching, there are some practices that you could try that would create a subtle impression that will make them subconsciously relax and will trigger the idea that bedtime is approaching. These include walking slowly, talking quietly, turning off the TV, playing soft music in the background, and dimming the lights. The last trick that usually works is putting them on your shoulder and breathing deep, even breaths, just like yawning. As deep breaths are contagious, they'll imitate you. So draw more deep breaths, which will relax their bodies, and voila, they fall asleep. So, these are some of the things that you could try to get your kids to sleep faster. Let us know in the comment section if any of these have worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe if you found the video helpful, and you could also check out our channel for more interesting videos.